Why do 90% of homeowners trust Kidde for fire safety? Because peace of mind is priceless. This tiny device packs a big punch in home protection. With its sleek design, the Kidde compact smoke detector fits seamlessly into any room. The LED indicator is your clear visual cue, flashing red to signal smoke detection or low battery alerts. No more guessing games. Battery-powered for constant vigilance, you can trust Kidde's reliable technology to keep your family safe. Installation: a breeze. Just mount it and you're set. Remember, safety doesn't have to be complicated. Choose the Kidde Compact Smoke Detector for simple, dependable protection. Because when it comes to your home, every second counts. Stay safe, stay secure, stay Kidde.